जैसे हम लेते हैं क्लास सेम
एक मिनट सिक्योरिटी बिना पहले हाँ
नहीं 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 सिक्योरिटी
नहीं
क्यों
वो
जा
फिर
रहे
मैम
हो?
अनेबल नहीं करेंगे वो सारा
इधर से करो ना, इसको क्लिक करो, ये 3 डॉट्स
मैं इधर से नहीं करती मैम
वहीं से कर दो आप, कोई बात नहीं।
अच्छा अच्छा
इनेबल इस पर टिक कर दो,
ओके इस पे
बस वो ऐड में कॉल कर दो।
आप पिन एक मिनट
बस
मीटिंग
Ma'am.
Good morning, 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 ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. So I'm sure that you all are fine. Okay. So my dear students, you know what? Today we are going to read a very interesting story. Okay. From your English literature book. But before that, I would love to ask something from you. Okay. So my first question is, do you like listening stories? So I'm going to give to, please raise your hand, Ishnur. Ishnur, you please. I have unmuted you. Ishnur, unmute karo. Yes. Ishnur, you tell me, do you like listening stories?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, what kind of stories do you like to listen? Tell me.
Moral stories and fairy tale.
Okay, so you love to hear moral stories. Okay. Don't you like to hear fairy tales?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my dear students, you know what? In every part, okay, in every country, okay, in every country of the world, some stories, okay, that have been handed down from grandparents to grandchildren. And these stories, some of the stories have been told by mothers to their children. Do you know what kind of stories are these called? So what do we call these type of stories? Do you know? So, okay, I'm going to give turn to Tanishka. Tanishka, would you like to give me answer? I have
Yes,
unmuted
ma'am.
you. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Sorry.
please ask the question once again.
Okay, question is, you know what? In every part, in every country of the world, some stories have been handed down from grandparents to grandchildren. And you know what? Some of the stories have been, and these stories have been sung by mothers to their children. So can you tell what kind of stories are these called? What do we call these stories? Did you know? Okay, I'll let you know. So we call these tales folk tales, which is very good. Folk tales. Okay, so they tell us, these stories tell us about the custom and the culture, okay, of the place they are set in. Okay, I hope it is clear. You know what? The chapter which we are going to read today, it's actually a folk story from Kerala state. Okay. So you know what? This lesson gives us a message, wonderful message, that nothing that we can make the best use, we can make the best thing by using waste things. Okay. So waste can be quite, yes, waste can be quite useful. So now let us read the story. So please open your book. You already know that your book have been replaced by Marigold, book 5, NCERT. So open your book to page number 10. So wonderful waste. Here I'm going to read the story. Okay. So this is a folk tale, bache. Okay. So who first I will read out. I'll give you the model reading. Okay. After that, you can read. Clear? Okay. Now listen. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. So, what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." Okay. So my dear students, first you need to understand the meaning of the difficult words. Okay, what is the meaning of Maharaja? Do you know the meaning of Maharaja? So can anybody guess? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Jasmine, you please. I have unmuted you. Jasmine. Yes. Tell me, what is the meaning of Maharaja? Hurry up. Please guess the meaning. Try to guess. Yes. Very good. I have got the answer from Ishnur. Maharaja means king. Very good. And Travancore, do you know what is it? Formerly it was a princely state. Now it is a part of Kerala. Okay, mera beta? Samajh aa gaya? So ordered. So once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner. Do you know the meaning of grand? So what is our chapter? You already know that. So we are reading chapter number 2, the wonderful waste. Okay. Now you please tell me the meaning of, okay, grand. Can anybody guess? Guess? What is the meaning of Yuvraj? I have unmuted you. Yes, Yuvraj. Buddy. Okay, and means, okay, that means magnificent in appearance, or okay, that is magnificent in appearance or clear, beta? Something which is very big in appearance. Clear, beta? Okay. So in the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the survey. Do you know the meaning of survey? Okay, let's see who knows the answer. Okay. Aryan, I have unmuted you, beta. Aryan,
Ma'am,
meaning of
survey
survey?
means to see.
Vanshika has the answer. Check. Okay, it's very close. Very good. Hurry up. Try to send me the answer if you know. Hurry up.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of Maharaja?
Maharaja means king. Okay. Wait. Please, I have muted you all. So what is the meaning? So my dear students, what is the meaning of survey? S-U-R-V-E-Y, survey. That means to look closely. Okay? To look closely. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, so Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Okay, so what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? So my dear students, do you know the meaning of scraps? What is the meaning of scrap? Have you seen? Okay, I'm going to give turn to Gurseerat. Gurseerat, try to give me the answer, beta. I have unmuted you. Yes.
Ma'am, please
Gurseerat.
repeat the question.
What is the meaning of scrap?
मैम स्क्रैप्स होते जो छिलके होते हैं.
Yes, small things or small pieces of something, especially that is left over after using the greater part. जब हम किसी भी चीज का part use कर लेते हैं and something which is left over that is called peels. Okay, clear beta?
Okay, ma'am.
I hope it
Yes,
is clear.
ma'am.
And what is the meaning of feast? Okay, what is the meaning of feast? What is the meaning of feast? Okay, try to give me the answer. Okay, I have just Gurdain, I have just given you turn, bete. Gurdain, I have unmuted you. Okay, it's not being unmuted. Okay, so it's mean a large meal. Try to, okay, a large meal. Okay, so my dear students, very good. A type of, okay. So now I'm going to read, okay. So what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, they are waste. We will throw them away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. My dear students, what is the meaning of sternly? So sternly means in a serious manner, okay? Sternly, S-T-E-R-N, okay? L-Y, sternly means in a serious manner. In a serious manner, okay? So what happened? Okay, so you cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix. The cook was in a fix. Wait, beta, wait. The cook was in a fix. What is the meaning of this word? In a fix. Okay? Chalo, try to find the answer. In a fix. Okay, please start sending your answers. What is the meaning of fix? Yes, beta.
मैम जो आइसक्रीम मैन के लास्ट में है न्यूबॉर्न
Wait, your doubts will be discussed later on. Okay, please wait. Okay, now please, very good. Vanshika, she has sent the correct answer. Situation very hard to escape. A situation, okay. a situation hard to escape, okay, hard to escape. Okay, so my dear students, so far what happened in the story? So the cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Now, okay, I hope you have understood the story. Okay, now let's, okay, I'm going to explain. So, you know, my dear students, what is there in the story? So, one day, Maharaja ordered a grand dinner. He invited so many people in his palace. Okay, so he ordered a grand dinner. Okay, he ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Okay, so but in the afternoon before the dinner, okay, he entered the kitchen and what he did there, he just closely examined. What he did, he examined the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. What he was doing, he was examining. Okay, so he was trying to find out what had been prepared for the feast. Okay, now when he looked at the vegetable scraps, okay, so he asked the cook, okay, he pointed to the basket of the scrap near the cook and replied, okay, first he asked what he was going to do with that scrap. कि आप scrap के साथ क्या करने वाले हैं? So okay, so what did the cook reply? The cook replied that so these were the waste and he was going to throw them away. Oh my God. On hearing this, what did the Maharaja say? The Maharaja said, You cannot waste that. He could not waste all bits and pieces of vegetables. Okay, so he ordered him to find out a way to use them wisely. Okay, now the cook, he was in a fix. So he was in a situation where it was very hard to escape. So situation was very hard to escape. अब वो बच के नहीं निकल सकता था. So he thought that what should he do? So suddenly what happened? An idea came in his mind. Now let's read out what happened next in the story. Okay? I hope it is clear. Now I'm going to ask questions. So get ready with your answers. Okay. Who ordered a grand dinner in his palace? My first question. Hurry up. Start sending your answers. Who ordered a grand dinner in his palace? So I'm going to give turn to Yuvraj. I have unmuted you, beta. Yuvraj is not responding. Okay, Ishnoor. Ishnoor, beta, I have unmuted you.
And the Maharaja ordered the food.
Yes, Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Very good. Look, I've sent something for you, beta. This is for you. Very good. Excellent. Okay, now my next question. Get ready. So next question is, okay. Now the next question is, what did Maharaja of Travancore ordered? Okay, hurry up. So I have given turn to Gursidat. Gursidat, beta. Yes.
Ma'am, Maharaja ordered a grand dinner in his palace.
Very good. Excellent. Your answer is correct. And this one for you. Keep it up. Okay, now
Thank you,
get
ma'am.
ready. Okay, get ready with the next answer. Okay, my next question is, okay. Okay, first is, why did Maharaja enter the kitchen in the afternoon before the dinner? Why did he enter? Okay, so I'm going to give turn to Riddhima. Riddhima, I have unmuted you, beta. Riddhima, why did Maharaja enter the kitchen before? Okay, in the afternoon before the dinner. Hurry up. Very good. Your answer is correct, Gursirat. Please, you give me the answer. रिद्धिमा बेटा, आप आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो मुझे. Okay, so I'm going to give turn to Divyanshi. Divyanshi, I have unmuted you, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, beta. Please give me the answer.
Ma'am, the Maharaja went into the kitchen to survey the dishes.
Very good.
And
Survey the dishes. Very good. Complete the answer.
that had been prepared for the feast.
Very good. Your answer is correct, beta. This one is for you, mera bachcha. Shabash. Excellent. Okay. Now my
Thank you.
next question is, okay, what did Maharaja ask the cook? What did Maharaja ask the cook when he entered the kitchen? So I am going to give turn to Divyanshi. Divyanshi, I have unmuted you, beta.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Question is, okay, what did Maharaja ask the cook when he entered the kitchen?
Ma'am, the Maharaja asked the cook that is the feast ready, and and then he
Now, Gursirat, your answer is correct. So he entered the kitchen. Okay, he asked the cook what he was going to do with these vegetable scraps. Clear, beta? Samajh aa gaya? Done? Okay. Now, what did the cook reply? Now, my next question is, what did the cook reply? So I'm going to give turn to Raina. Raina, I have unmuted you, beta.
Good morning,
What did the Hanji beta? Good morning. What did the cook reply? Hurry up.
The cook The cook replied that they are waste. We will throw them away.
So he replied that these were waste, okay, and they would throw them away, okay. Clear? Now, what did my next question is? What did Maharaja commanded? What did Maharaja command sternly? Hurry up, hurry up. What did Maharaja command sternly? So I'm going to give turn to Kesar. Kesar, beta, I have unmuted you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What did Maharaja command sternly? Very good. Maharaja.
Maharaja commanded that find a way to use them.
Yes, very good. Your answer is correct. So Maharaja commanded sternly to use the waste wisely, and okay. So this is how you have to give the answer. Your answer is correct, beta. This is for you, mera beta. Shabash. Excellent. This one is for you. Keep it up. Now next is why the cook was in a fix. Now the question is why the cook was in a fix. अब बताओ, who will give me the answer? Okay, so who will give me the answer? Yes, Tanisha तनिष्का को दे देते हैं टर्न. ओके ओके तनिष्का, आई हैव अनम्यूटेड यू बेटा.
मैम इस क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग क्या है?
बेटा द मीनिंग इज, अब जो किंग ने ऑर्डर दिया था, किंग ऑर्डर स्टर्नली कि यूज करना है वेजिटेबल स्क्रैप्स को. वेजिटेबल से तो उसने डिशेस बना दी, स्क्रैप से अब वो क्या करे? सो दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज इन ए फिक्स, मतलब ही वाज इन सच ए कंडीशन दैट वाज वेरी हार्ड टू एस्केप. अब वो बच के नहीं निकल सकता था. सो उसको अब क्या करना था, कुछ ना कुछ तो बहुत यूजफुल कुछ करके दिखाना था राजा को. तो ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज इन ए फिक्स. अब क्वेश्चन का आंसर, because it was a very hard work. Okay, Kesar has sent the answer. The cook was in a fix because and kept staring at the vegetables for some time. The cook was in a fix because try to give me the answer. Please send your answers. Because he did not, beta did use karo second form, because he did not know what to do with the vegetable scrap. ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Okay, clear beta? Done? Okay, now I am going to read out the next page. So अब तक हमने story पढ़ ली. We have got to know that the king wanted the cook to make the best use of of the vegetable scraps. And what happened next? Now let's read out the next page. That is page number 11. So suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. Okay, flashed across. So what is the meaning of flashed across? Flashed across. So what is the meaning of flashed across? So what happened suddenly? So suddenly an idea came into his mind. And what was the idea? Please tell me. Oh, yes, your answer is correct, Kesar. Suddenly think of. Very good. Suddenly think of. Very good. Suddenly think of. Very good. Okay. So an idea suddenly strike. Okay. Suddenly came in his mind. And what he did, he took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. What he did at first, he took all the vegetable scraps. He washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long stripes. फिर उसने उसको क्या किया? Long strips के अंदर cut कर दिया. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. And next, what happened next? Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chili, and garlic together. And what he added after that? He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. What happened after that? When he did all these things, then what happened? A tempting smell. Do you know the meaning of tempting? Tempting? So what is the meaning of tempting? So a tempting smell means nice, very good, very close. Attracting, attracting, okay? Attracting, attracting. So a tempting means attracting smell. Okay, started coming from the pot. जब मम्मा कुक करती हैं अच्छा सा कुछ बहुत अच्छा सा तो tempting smell आती है ना आपको, आप बोलते हो ना आज तो मम्मा बहुत अच्छा कुछ बनाया आपने. So this is, so cook ने भी क्या किया? What he did? He just cleaned the vegetable scraps. उसने उसको clean किया, wash them, cut them. और फिर उसको क्या किया? Put and put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. फिर उसने ground किया some fresh coconut and green chilies together and he added this paste को किसमें add किया and some salt to the cooking vegetables. So what started happening? A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd. Okay, now he whipped some curd and added to the curry. अब उसने क्या किया? What he did next? He whipped some curd. उसने whip किया, beaten with whip. Okay, clear? He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. How he decorated the dish? With curry leaves. Okay, lo and behold. Now what does this mean? Lo and behold. Lo and behold, what does this mean? Lo and behold, look what a surprise. Look what a surprise. Okay, now what happened? Oh, lo and behold, what a surprise. The new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guest that evening. Everyone was eager. Do you know the meaning of eager? Do you know the meaning of eager? So meaning of eager is keen. So my dear students, very good. So everyone was eager to know the name of the dish. And the cook thought and thought. Then a name came in his mind. He named it Avial. He named it Avial. A-V-I-A-L. It's Avial. Okay. Do you know what is it? It is a traditional Kerala feast. It's Avial. Very good, bache. Very good. Avial became famous all over Kerala. And now it is one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from the basket of waste. So ये कहाँ से आई फिर ये dish निकल के? Baskets of waste से. Wow. Isn't it an interesting story? It's very interesting. So what lesson do we get? That we should not, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? We should not throw the waste. We should try to make the best use of, okay, these things. So we can, so you all know that. So the competitions are held, okay? They are held to make best out of waste, okay? And you make so many new things. Okay, now get ready with your answers. Now get ready with your answers, beta. Okay, first question is, okay, what happened suddenly? What happened suddenly? Okay, what happened suddenly? Suddenly क्या हुआ? Divyanshi, I've just given you turn, beta. What happened suddenly? Yes, Gurseerat has sent the answer. Oh, your answer is correct. Okay. You are not being okay. Suddenly an idea flashed into Cook's mind. Very good. This one is correct. Okay. What did he do? Okay. What did the first thing the cook do? What did the first thing the cook do? उसने क्या किया था? At first. Tanish, okay, I am going to give turn to Raina. Raina, beta, I have unmuted you.
Ma'am, he took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well.
Very good. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Very good. Your answer is correct, Vitte. Now what he did next? Raina. Okay, Gurden. Gurden, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Good
now
morning,
what did he? Okay, very good morning. Now what did he do? Now what did he do after washing and cleaning the vegetable scrap? What did he do? Hurry up. Very
ma'am.
good.
I don't know.
Why you don't know? What happened when he took all the vegetable bits and washed them and cleaned them? What he did after that? What he did? Okay, Raina has given me the answer. Okay, Raina, you just please give the answer.
Ma'am, after that, then he cut them into long strips.
Yes, then he cut them into long strips and put
Ma'am, he cut
huge
them into
pot,
long
placed it
strips.
on the fire to cook. Now what he ground. Now what did he? Okay, face. Okay. Now what happened? Now my next question is what started coming from the pot when he added the paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables? What started coming? Okay. Very good. Varnika. Varnika, you have sent correct answer. So a tempting smell started coming. Your answer is correct, beta. This one is for you, Varnika. You sent me the correct answer, beta. Very good. Okay. Now how did he decorate? Now, how did he decorate the dish? Hurry up. How did he decorate the dish? उसने dish को कैसे decorate किया था? Hurry up, Moline. Moline, I have unmuted you, beta. Moline.
Ma'am, he decorated the dish with curry leaves.
Very good. Your answer is correct. Okay. Now, next question is why everyone was eager? What was everyone? Why everyone was eager? Hurry up, hurry up. So, who will give me the answer? Gursirat.
Everyone was eager to know the name of new dish.
Yes, everyone was eager to know the name of the dish. Very good. Okay. And what did the cook name the dish?
The cook
Avial.
named it.
The cook named the dish avial.
Yes, he named it avial. Very good. And avial became famous all over Kerala. Now, what is it? It is one of the dish in a traditional Kerala feast.
Kerala feast.
Anji beta. So, you like the story?
Yes.
Very good. You just all. Okay. So, I hope everything is done. So, we have read the chapter. You have got the story. Now, what you have to do? So, it's your turn. So, you have to read the chapter thoroughly. You have to learn the new words or phrases that is given at page number 12. You try to find out the question answers and you have to solve the back exercise. Is it correct? Okay. So, okay, now let us discuss question number first that is given at the back. Okay. So, what were the preparations in the palace for? So, what were the preparations in the palace for? Yes. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Thank you, beta. Yes, Gursirat. Beta, try to give me the answer in a full sentence. What were the preparations in the palace for? Very good. For a grand feast. Wow. The preparations were for the grand feast in the palace. Very good. Okay, beta. Now time is over. Now what you have to do, you already know कि आपको क्या करना है. Okay, you have to do reading. Okay, Gurden, you want to ask something? Gurden, bache. Okay, you unmute yourself and ask. Yes. Yes, Gurden, beta. Ma'am, I have a doubt. Raina, what's your doubt, beta? क्या doubt है आपका? Okay, I have unmuted you.
मैम आप कल दोबारा करा दोगे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
बेटा इट्स वेरी सिंपल, यू हैव टू फाइंड इट ओके ऑन योर ओन, ट्राई टू फाइंड इट। मेरे बच्चों बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो, आपको आता है सब कुछ बेटा। ओके
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
बेटा, ओके बच्चे।